This is a cool way to make tea.
I am Trish McDaniel.
An orange cream.
We're in Littleton, Colorado. I want to change the bathroom because the house is very old and we feel like it needs to be updated. I have a disability and my husband has some disabilities too. So I just feel that it would be a lot easier to have a walk-in shower as compared to getting in and out of the tub all the time and not risk the fall. I usually like to get 3 estimates, and Robert happened to be the first person that came out from HomePride. When Robert first got here, he sat down and we talked about he got to know us. And that was really important because he just didn't come in here, open up a book and computer, and he really got to know us. And we told him about our family, he talked about his family, and we talked about what I was looking for, what we were both looking for, what we had in mind. And so we made a decision that day, and that's not something that we usually do. And I actually canceled the other appointments that same day because we just felt very confident that this is the company that we wanted to go with and trust. I like the fact that KOHLER supplies were used because I know that that's a very excellent product. Everything is so put together. The decor is perfect. It's exactly what I imagined. I love the shower head, and Robert actually made sure that he got one that was long enough to reach from the wall to the chair for Mark. So it's absolutely perfect. I'm very happy. Yes, everything is just so put together.